the quadratic equation 1 plus a square into x square plus 2abx plus b square minus c square equal to 0 has equal and real roots, then prove that b square equal to c square into 1 plus a square. So, solution. To solve this problem, we need to know some of the basics. Let ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 be any quadratic equation. Then the solution for this equation is given as x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here d equal to b square minus 4ac, the term inside the root. There are three cases. If d equal to 0, the roots are equal and real. If d greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. If d less than 0, there is no real root. So there are three cases. According to a question, this equation is of first case, d equal to 0. The roots are real and equal. Here, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the standard equation. So here the given equation is, I am rereading the question. One plus a square into x square plus 2abx plus b square minus c square equal to 0. Comparing this with the standard equation, a, the coefficient of x square is 1 plus a square, b, the coefficient of x term is 2ab, and the constant term c equal to b square minus c square. So d, the discriminant d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square here, 2ab the whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a is 1 plus a square into c is b square minus c square. That is equal to 4 a square b square minus of 4 into 1 plus a square into b square minus c square. Here 1 into b square minus c square plus a square into b square minus c square. Here we are taking this 4 outside the bracket. We will get a square minus b square minus b square minus c square plus a square b square minus a square c square. Okay. So D equal to 4 into A square B square. So we are multiplying this minus inside the bracket. We will get minus B square minus of minus A square, that is plus C square minus A square B square plus A square C square. So here minus A square B square and plus A square B square get cancelled. We will get D equal to 4 into minus B square plus C square plus A square C square. Since it is given in the question, roots are equal and real, it implies D equal to 0. So here D equal to minus of, here D equal to 4 into minus B square plus C square plus A square C square equal to 0. So minus B square plus C square plus A square C square equal to 0. So B square equal to C square plus A square C square. So B square equal to C square we can take common, that is 1 plus A square. So if roots are equal and real, that means if discriminant D equal to 0, we will get this answer, B square equal to C square into 1 plus A square. So here a little recap. So this is the question. It's the quadratic equation. 1 plus A square into X square plus 2ABX plus B square minus C square equal to 0. Then prove that B square equal to C square into 1 plus A square. The condition D equal to 0. And that means the roots are equal and real. So we got this value B square equal to C square into 1 plus C square. So hence we have proved. Okay, thank you.